Let's get BTC the Villain back for another unboxing. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, it's a Nike Air Force One box. Pretty self-explanatory. Nike Air Force 107 LV83, orange blazing wheat, retails 100, but I got it off 65 bucks off the Nike store because it was having a sale. So here we go. As you can see, these are the orange Realtree camo Air Forces. These are bright as hell too. Like, you probably can't see it on camera, but these are like a safety orange. Yeah, these are kind of cool too. I fuck them. I wanted the white ones, but these were like 10 bucks. Sorry, 10 bucks cheaper. So I was like, yeah, why not? I mean, like, you know, it's spring, summer. Orange is like a summery type color, spring type color. It's about to get warmer, so I mean, shit, why not? It's either that or I'm gonna end up wearing them in the fall or some shit. So as you guys can see, it's an all canvas upper with a gum bottom and Realtree camel print. And this is kind of like, I want to say like a nubuck. It's not quite a suede, but it's still soft. So here these are. This is a brown type wheat. Yeah, it's more of a wheat type color. The inside lining is wheat. The insole is black and it says Realtree on it. On the print, it's just a, you know, it's a Realtree print. It says right here, Realtree. I like it because it's not too much on it. Like, there isn't hella big ass leaves and branches, and except for on the back of this, but that's fine. As long as it's not on the front or like on the toe area. So yeah, I'll fuck with these. And now before I forget, there's a joke, there's an inside joke I have with my friends. I call these the MAGA forces. the Make America Great Again forces. The reason why I call these the MAGA forces is because, you know, we was talking about copping them. We was talking about copping them in Discord, and I was like, I'm gonna call these the MAGA forces. People, you know, and my friends talking about, why are you calling them MAGA for? What, you Trump supporting? I was like, nah, man, because, you know, and I was like, nah, man, because, you know, people that wear Realtree camo. And I was like, nah, man, because, you know, usually people that wear Realtree camo are Trump supporters, because, you know, those are like the big trophy hunters, the country folk, southern people. They all wear Realtree camo. Like, that's what they known for. You know, parading the streets in Realtree camo, talking about some MAGA and shit like that. So, you know, that's why I call these the MAGA forces, bro. I don't fuck with that shit, though. So, you know, this is the end of the review. The Realtree camo forces, bro, in orange. And like I said, you guys probably can't see it in camera, but these are bright as hell. But, you know, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace, y'all.